Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I just made a video where I said it looked like a really long comb. So I'm going to make a comb that you could actually probably use if you cut out some pretty good wood. Let's take a rectangle, with the ratio lock, let's make it 5 inches long. With the ratio unlocked right here, let's round off the top two corners 2.5. It kind of gives it the shape of a comb. Maybe even do like that. Now, let's make the cone part, the bristles. And let's take that and let's make it 0.08. And about that spot. But we're going to put it like right there, but we need to bump it up a little bit in a second. Now I'm going to take that item and I'm going to go to Object and convert it to a curve. And what that does is it puts nodes at the bottom so we can round this off. So let's kind of move that one in, move this one in, and then delete these nodes. Look at that, kind of like the bristles of a comb. Now I said we need to edge it up a little bit, but we want it on that corner. So we want to take the pick tool and just kind of edge it up kind of on that corner. Now let's make a duplicate of that. Start moving it and hold down the control button so it'll be equal. And get it to about there. And still move it holding down the control button so it's equal in height. Now we're going to take these two, go up to Effects and Blend, and I just happened to pick 30 on my first comb and it worked pretty well. Now just take the whole thing and, okay, when you see you can't weld anything, it's because I haven't broken them apart. So break the objects apart. Go ahead, and because it's a blend, so we blended them. Now we're going to ungroup them. Grab the whole thing and weld it. And in that short of time, you made probably not a best quality comb, but it'd be a good beard comb for somebody. We got a little bit of hiccup right there, but that's easily fixed by taking the shape tool and just deleting those nodes. Whoop. Can't delete them all. And that made our last piece maybe a little bit thicker, but that's fine too. Give it a little bit of strength for breaking. We did better, or I did better on this side. Can't do that. Can't delete them all. Anyway, kind of a neat little project. Play around with it. It doesn't cost you anything. If you happen to be a woodworker and you cut this out of a 1/4 inch wood, you could actually run these on a sander from an angle so they'd actually be pointed down closer together this way. It's kind of hard to explain. Like if this was the end of the comb and here's the bristles. And let's go ahead and just do this real quick. People might not understand. Go up to Object and convert it to a curve. Let's bring these nodes in. So your wood is going to kind of look like this. It's going to look straight. Well, if you run on a sander from this angle, or a angle, you're going to cut that bristle down. Let's even make it less of a deal. Control D and make a duplicate, mirror that one over. Put it about, whoop. I still have the rotation on. Move it. Come on. Move it over here. And then if you sanded it, from the end of the comb, it would look like that. So it'd run through somebody's hair and you'd play around with that and round off this end and, make the sanding equal. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.